Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change language on the FTX wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX wallet, then go to the news section, then on the top right corner you will find the settings icon, and here it opens up the news settings icon menu, and here you have to tap again on the settings, which is on the bottom left corner. And when you scroll down and go to the app settings, you will find the language settings, which is going to be the second one on the list. And when you tap on it, you can choose from these languages on this list. All the major languages are here and available, and if you do not have your own language on this list, you can always choose another language that you understand. I mean, English, Spanish, French is on the list, so I'm guessing that almost everybody is covered here. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.